Hi everyone, I'm going to share with you a different way to multiply numbers. This way is called lattice multiplication. It's a way to multiply two-digit numbers, three-digit numbers, four-digit numbers, or a combination of any of those types. This is not meant to get rid of the old school way to do it. This is just a method to kind of help you. So let's start up here. Let's pretend our numbers are, 59 and 45. So we're going to multiply those two numbers. So we start here. Everyone knows you start with your ones digit. 5 times 9 is 45. Put your 5, carry your 4. 5 times 5 again is 25, plus the 4 more is 29. So you put your 9, carry your 2. 5 times the nothing plus the 2 is 2. So we get 295. The reason why students start to make mistakes on the next step is because they're not quite sure of what to do next. Of course, you get rid of the 5 here. Get rid of all the numbers here at the top so we don't confuse ourselves. But a lot of students forget that now that you're going to be multiplying this 4, which is in the tens place, you must put a 0 in the ones. A lot of students forget to put that 0, which makes a mistake in their answer. So we continue to go. 4 times 9 is 36. So you put your 6, carry your 3. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 3 more is 23. So you put your 3, carry your 2. 4 times nothing is 0, plus 2 more is a 2. So when we add up all these numbers, we get 5. Then we get 9 plus 6, that's 15. Take a 5, carry the 1. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. And the 2 that's there by itself, put your comma in place. Pretty large number. Of course, that's the old school way to do it. No problem with that. I want to share lattice multiplication. It's a little bit different, but let's try it. First, it starts with making boxes. So what you're going to do is you are going to put a 59 up here and the original 45. Now you're going to make boxes for each of these numbers. So let's go straight across, straight up and down. You'll notice that there's a box for every number. So for example, if I am going to, let's take red, multiply the 9 and the 4, it's going to go in this center space right here. So what is 9 times 4? 36. Before we do anything, let's put in our lattice. Our lattice means we put a diagonal in each of the squares. Everyone see that? I'm going to hop back to red. So 9 times 4 is 36. We put a 36. Okay, let's move over. We're going to do the 4 again. This time 4 times 5. What is that? 20. So we put a 2. Ooh, that looks bad. And a 0. Now, let's come down here to this 5. 5 times the 9 up here is 45. So you put 45. And finally, we have 5 times the 5. So that's 25. Now, here's what makes it easy. Let me switch to blue. All you're going to have to do is add each column. So we have this column, start at the bottom. We have this long column, this column, and this column. So let's watch how this goes. In the first column, 5 is by itself, so we just put it down here. We have a 6, a 4, and a 5. 6 plus 4 is 10. 5 more is 15. So we put our 5, carry the 1 to the next group. So now we have a 1, a 3, a 0, and a 2. That is 4, 5, 6. Nothing to carry, and we have a 2 left. So we have 2,655. I hope that made sense. You just start at the bottom, work your way up. It's just a different method. It doesn't mean it's easier or harder. It's just something different, and it helps students understand that all the better. So I recommend if you want to try it, go for it, see how it works out for you. This can work with 3-digit, with 2-digit numbers, or so on. So for example, let's say you want to put a 3-digit number up here, 300 or 265 and 45. You just have to break it up like that and then put your diagonals in. So I recommend trying that. It works in all ways. Just give it a shot. Thank you very much. Bye.